Okay, first off we have to take out the tank to put in the exhaust for the heating, and if you get this heating you have to get one of those because they like to catch on flames. Always have one handy when using them. Take this thing out. Looks all nice and dry. That's just oil. And there is the exhaust supposed to go. Right there. She's all the way up. Now underneath the car I pushed the exhaust of the heating to the car with the lift, so now we can drill the hole there. So you have to see how to get the hole there. Just put in. So now on the other side just put washer. That's okay for now, we're gonna tighten it when the car is back on the ground. Okay, the screws are installed. Now we just have to bend this piece up again. As you can see, it's already dark, but we got all the screws mounted for the exhaust. So yeah, see you tomorrow with the holder here. Yeah, just the holder. Exhaust connects from here to here. Another hole has to go here. You have to remove the screws for the leaf spring to put it like in between. And then everything can go back in.